All right, guys, here is a look at lesson 5 that we did in class on Wednesday, December 16th. Started by looking at learning targets. We read chapter 24, updated the analyzed point of view note catcher with chapter 24, and then looked at the planning of a literary analysis. So let's take a look at our opening. Learning targets today. I can determine how Cal and the gang's point of view is conveyed in chapter 24. I can analyze how chapter 24 fits into the overall structure of the novel and contributes to the development of the setting and plot of Two Roads. I can determine possible themes and how they are conveyed in chapter 24. All right, so we went on to read chapter 24. You have a GIST vocab assignment for chapter 24. The vocab words today are meanders, which is a verb in action, and then contentment, which is a noun, a state of feeling satisfaction. After reading chapter 24, we then went to complete the analyzed point of view note catcher. So with chapter 24, we were looking at Cal and his Creek friends and their point of view, and we're looking at their point of view toward nature. So we said that Cal and his Creek friends enjoy nature because they feel free and can escape. So their point of view toward nature is very positive, and they look to it for freedom and escape. And we had several pieces of text evidence that we were able to find on page 250. The one place at Shilagi that's truly free, the woods. On another one on page 250, the woods are where you can get away, where you're no longer here. Then on 253, Cal says, I no longer feel like an out-of-place white boy. He also says, we boys have a kind of freedom in the woods that's almost as good as riding the rails with Pop. And we determined that the author uses Cal's inner thoughts as well as actions to develop the point of view in chapter 24. After completing the analyzed point of view note catcher, we then moved forward to look at the planning of a literary analysis paragraph. So we have a slideshow and video here that you can watch. We each made a copy of the paragraph planner and went through a couple of sections of this together. So the directions are to plan a literary analysis paragraph based on the following prompt. How does chapter 24 of Two Roads help to develop the theme that our peers, our school, our families, and our experiences can affirm or threaten our identities? Part A says write a topic sentence which includes keywords from the question and includes the chapter text you are analyzing. So that topic sentence, we've got chapter 24 of Two Roads by Joseph Brucock, helps to develop the theme. Our peers, our school, our families, and our experiences can affirm or threaten our identities in various ways. Part B says answer the question. So we took that theme and applied it specifically to Cal and said that Cal's identity as a Creek Indian is being developed while he attends Shilagi and is evident in his increased comfort level and friendships with the Creek gang. And then your assignment is to do part C, where you are citing evidence from chapter 24 to support that response. And so I was looking for 2 to 3 pieces of text evidence from chapter 24 that you would put here in part C. And that's all I'm asking for you to do right now. And we're not turning this in yet. So your assignments for Wednesday, December 16th are to complete and submit the GIST vocab assignment for chapter 24 and complete the paragraph planner part C with 2 to 3 pieces of text support. Reminder that you have until until Friday the 18th at 5 p.m. to get assignments that are missing in Canvas turned in to be graded and included in this quarter.